So welcome guys again. I'm doing this video because of those that have issues with their Bluetooth. I had the same issue, but I found a way. I later found a way, but it wasn't easy. So I'm gonna share my experience with you on how I got to do it. So as you can see, here I don't have any Bluetooth. I can't find my Bluetooth. So I go to my search. I say Bluetooth. It's showing in my settings, but I can't turn it on, I can't turn it off. But I've used it before. That was after I fixed it. But see now, I can't turn it on. Add Bluetooth. See what's showing me. I can't connect. So I believe you have the same issue as well. So okay, let's see if I can troubleshoot. If I can troubleshoot. This is Windows 10, by the way. So I don't know if just follow what I'm doing and see. Now in some people you might see Bluetooth in the options, but in mine I can't see, so additional troubleshooters. Actually you can see Bluetooth here now. Okay, find and fix problems, run the troubleshooter. Okay, let's wait for it and see what it says. Let's just wait and see. Next. Now see, check Bluetooth Bluetooth and changes and check. Okay. Alright. It said check Bluetooth detected, no Bluetooth. So he's saying that there is no Bluetooth in this system. But I know there's a Bluetooth. I don't know about those using HP and ASUS, but this is a Lenovo laptop. So when you go to the Lenovo website, the official website, you could scan the device, then you automatically log in and get information based on your machine. So when I log in there, I can test for hardware changes and hardware availability. So when I test for those, that's gonna take time. I can't do that now, but maybe I'll do it in another video. So when I test there, it even tells me, even on the site, that there is no Bluetooth in the system. And when I check the specifications of the laptop, it shows that it comes with a Bluetooth 4.0. But when I test the hardware, it can't find the Bluetooth. And okay, it's saying no Bluetooth. That's what it's telling me. System is not capable of using Bluetooth. But I know that's a lie. I know that's a lie. Okay, but don't blame it. It's what you can see. So we close that. Fine. This one will solve my problem. Now, you can try tapping Windows R with the Windows key together with R. Then this pops up. Type Services.msc. Then you tap it. I know you might have seen things like this other places, but I don't want to skip do other things. Who knows? Maybe this might be the solution to your problem. The Bluetooth support service is running already, but if yours is not running, then you have to start the. Let me say I stop it now. Let me say I stop it then. Okay, properties. It's already in automatic. Yours might be manual. You understand? Yours might be manual. So you have to switch it to automatic. Then you start the service. Then you start the service, you apply, then okay. Then you close. And see the Bluetooth there. No, it's not there. Bluetooth, other devices. Add Bluetooth device. It's not still showing, so it didn't solve my problem. And there's another way. When you go to your file manager, sorry for that, go down to this PC, to local disk, to Windows, go down, should it be, to be in System 32. Yeah, go down to System 32. Then you search for F squared. Yep, that's it there. This one, that's it. This one here. So I say tap it. Let me create a shortcut. Let me send to my desktop. Alright, I close. That's it here. So I'll open it. Send files. I think I've gotten it. Let me see. I take this. Which file am I gonna pick? Let's say good afternoon, WPS office. Yeah, it failed. Nah, it's not going. So some people, you might have all these issues that maybe your Bluetooth driver is bad, or maybe it's outdated, or maybe there is no driver at all. So you can check that as well. You can tap with the Windows button and X. Then now go to Device Manager. And Device Manager, I can't find my Bluetooth. So I can't even check for the drivers. I don't know if you understand. I can't get the Bluetooth. I don't even know if it has drivers at all. But I have installed a driver. I have downloaded the driver already and I've installed it. And for the matter of fact, if I move here, if I go to my default program, let me see my apps. I don't remove programs. I should see Bluetooth there. Is it showing? Yeah, look. Bluetooth flyer. Okay, maybe this is different. This should be different. That should be different. Okay. I know I had installed that Bluetooth as well. I installed the Bluetooth. Yeah, look at it. Is it Intel wireless Bluetooth? So I believe you must have downloaded these, you have updated. It's showing here. I can actually uninstall it here and I can still install another one, but it's not showing in my device manager. Now I'm sure you're stuck. Most videos show you to this place and you still don't get your problem solved. Now there are two things after here. I'm sure as long as your system has the Bluetooth, this could solve them. Now this is what you're gonna do. If you had used the Bluetooth maybe yesterday, a week, a month, few weeks ago, now we are going to do a power drain. We're gonna drain the power off and it's gonna come back. But sometimes you got a system from someone, you bought it, maybe used laptop from a store or something, or ever since you bought it you haven't used Bluetooth, but it is written that it's coming with the Bluetooth and you are confused, like where's the Bluetooth? Who messed with my system? Hope it hasn't been tampered with and stuff like that. So if that's the case now, then we are going to set up the Bluetooth in the BIOS. I know maybe you may be scared of entering the BIOS. You don't want to spoil something, but don't worry, but rest assured, I'm going to do a video for you and I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. Your Bluetooth is going to come back. Just trust me. So let's see how we're going to do about that. So as you can see, there's the system, there's the machine. So what you do is that you're going to shut it down. You're going to hold the power button for a very long time. You're going to hold it for a long time. So what's going to happen is that you're going to remove every peripheral, everything connected on it. Look, so you see, just my charger. So I'm going to remove my charger. Nothing should be connected, even your mouse. Nothing should be connected. So you see, I'm going to hold this. I'm going to put it off and I'm not going to remove my hand from it. I'm going to leave my hands on it for about 10 to 15 to 20 seconds, I say. Just watch. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just put your hands on it for about 20 to 25 seconds. That's just it. It's called the power drain. Just drain the power off from the capacitors and all that. So that's what you just do. Just let it go for some time. I'm just gonna let it. Yeah, it's fine. So I'll put it on.
So when you are done with the power drain, you have drained the laptop, then you switch it on and check. But if it doesn't work, then the next step, that's what I'm about to do now, what I'm starting now. You restart it, then you change it and check in the BIOS.
to enter the BIOS. When you have done all that, then you put the system back on, put it on, then you check. Hope is there. Oh my God, it's not. Okay, it's there. It's there. It's back, man. my heart skipped right there. I swear to God, it skipped. It skipped, man. It skipped. So that's it, man. That's it. Connected. I can set it on now. You can check your Windows X. Yeah, then your device manager. Check if it's there. Check if it's there. Hope it's there. What? Oh yeah, that's it. Look at it here, man. It's there. It's there, man. It's there. Now let's check again. Bluetooth. Check Bluetooth the other time. It couldn't go. So yeah. So as you can see here, I can now turn it on. I can turn it off if I want. Add Bluetooth device. Remember when I put it here, after I clicked here, it showed me an error. So as you can see, it's working now. I can put on my Bluetooth and connect, no issues at all. So please like this video, share this video, comment any question you have. Just ask in the comment section. I'm gonna reply you. I'm gonna make sure I answer any questions there. And if I can't, I'm gonna refer you to the best place to get your answers. Share, that's other people who see this video, like and support the movement. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it.